Hi everybody, I'm Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I just thought I would pop on and say Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays. I am happy to be here and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're having a lull in the excitement and I thought I would show you all of the art journaling sort of supplies that I got as gifts, and I'm so excited. So I think it means exciting things for the channel in the coming weeks, so I thought this would be a fun sneak peek. It's like a little Christmas haul. Okay, the first thing is this amazingly gorgeous Delfonics utility pouch. Oh, you guys, if you have been watching art journalers or journalers on YouTube for any amount of time, you've probably seen one of these puppies, and I am so excited because this is going to house my journals. My Hobonichi A6, probably two of them because I'm using one for a health and wellness journal and one for just a daily memory keeping journal, and then all of my art like supplies that I use for these. So look at all the pockets. Oh my goodness, if you have never seen a Delfonics utility pouch, they are amazing. Pen pockets, pockets for ephemera and photos, inside pockets for pens and little tins of watercolor if you want. This big wide Velcro pocket on the back for like big sheets of stickers, or if you had like a big thing of stickers like this, fits right down in there. And then two other pockets here. Like, I am just so excited, and this is in the medium size. This is Delfonics in the medium size. The tag is all in Japanese. I think Delfonics is a Japanese brand, but I got this from my husband and kids, and I just love it. And this mustard color is my absolute favorite. I got this same pouch for my mom in this really pretty like sea blue color. It's like almost this color of my journal. It's gorgeous for her journal and all of her journaling supplies, and she absolutely loved it. I was so excited. So I got that. I could not be more excited. And then they also got me these Jane Davenport watercolor sets, the Bright and Glitzy. I'm so excited to use these, you guys. Oh my gosh. To prepare my pages for journaling. Am I opening this the wrong way? My husband always gives me a hard time because I'm like an animal. I don't pay attention to what way to open packages. I just tear into them. So here is which one is this? This is Bright. So it comes with these little fold out pans that you can mix and stuff, and then these are the colors. And these you can get at Michael's. And when there's a good coupon, I mean, you can't beat it. You can get them for like 15 bucks. They're like, I want to say 31 around originally. And then this is the Glitzy one, like Glitz -C, like colors of the sea kind of. I think that's why there's so many greens, because it's like you can make different shades of ocean colors. That's my impression. Anyway, that could be totally off base. Oh, shit. Sorry. That is such an Emily thing to do. Oh, all right. So hopefully I didn't break them. But these are the Glitzy palette. Includes 2 metallics and a specially selected set of colors. And just like the Brights, you have this little area for mixing those colors. Gorgeous. And the tins are like different shades, so you know which tin you're grabbing, which I think is so cool. So I am thrilled for those. There's going to be a video coming of me working in some of my January pages to get those ready. And then these two books I'm so excited about. I saw these on Amazon and I fell in love with them. And I think that they thought I was crazy. How to Draw Almost Every Day, an illustrated source book. How to Draw Almost Everything. They're both by, this is Chika Miyata and Camel, but they're just little cute things. It says, if you think you've got no artistic skill or just want to brush up on your drawing, How to Draw Almost Everything can help you. Step-by-step instructions for over 2,000 illustrations are at your fingertips. Warm-up practices begin getting you comfortable with lines and shapes. Easy sketches show you how to draw anything from one line to the next. Hundreds of samplings from animals, people, plants, foods, buildings, seasons. So I am so excited, you guys, because this is I'm gonna draw in my journal, I'm hoping. So this can, like, you know, it's more things to practice. I'm so excited, and this is like just up my alley. I just wanted cute, like, simple drawings, you know? And this looks just so fun. Look at, they teach you how to draw a soy milk hot pot and a spring roll. It's so cute. Famous sites in Japan, around the world. Showing you how to draw the Eiffel Tower, Rainbow Bridge, Buddha. So cool. Bunch of trucks, hot air balloons. This is so neat. How to Draw Almost Every Day. This says, the best way to become a better artist is by making art every day. But this can be a daunting proposition, especially for new artists. How to Draw Almost Every Day ensures you have new inspiration every day with step-by-step illustrations and daily exercise that will help you achieve this dream and become a better artist. So how cool is that, you guys? Because that's exactly what I want, is just step-by-step easy things to just help me become better at just drawing. Oh, look at that. I saw girls in a traditional kimono on the train today. They looked so pretty, and look how stinking cute that little drawing is. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for these books. So this is the spines, if you want to see. These are both from, I think they got them on Amazon. Sets of Pigma Microns. This is the 0.45 millimeter set. Is this the colors? Oh, this is the colors. Black, blue, green. It's like red, purple, and pink. Cool. Archival ink, waterproof, fade resistant, bleed free, quick drying. These work good on the Tomoe River paper. And then the black in a 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5. Sakura Pigma Microns. I love these pens. I did ask for these. Two more of my, the pen that they send you with your Hobonichi order is the Jet Stream, the Uni Jet Stream. Oh, and I also got this one. The Uni Jet Stream in a 0.5 is what they send you. And I love that pen. It's just a ballpoint pen, but I just love the tip of it, and it writes so smoothly and not like a regular, like, blobby ballpoint pen. And I really like it on the Tomoe River paper. So I got two more Uni Jet Stream pens with the colored barrels. It's black ink, but I have a blue barrel, a pink barrel, and an orange one, and this one is a 0.7, so it's a little thicker, but still not super thick. And it looks really cool. The orange one looks awesome in my journal for next year. I'll probably carry that and one of my Pigma Microns. That's what I'm planning on using. I love this. And then look at this Maste washi tape, also from Jet Pens. These came from Jet Pens. Look at this. They're like date flags. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Like, you can separate them and just use them as date flags. Like, spoiler alert, I already got in my journal and put some of them down for January. because I told you I'm going to start like preparing the pages. Like this is one of them that shows you the different colors. So that's pink, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just varied up the location. I know it gives you the date, but I just love these little stickers. 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm just showing so you can see what they all look like. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I'm counting for you. And they're just different shapes and really pretty colors. 30, 31. It's 1 through 31. And they give you like 16 through 31, I think, on one roll, and then kind of like 1 through 15 on the other, so it's easier to get the number that you need. So pretty cute. And then more Sasquatch vinyl stickers. I'm so excited. You guys know my love for the Squatch. It speaks for itself. These came from REI. I'm hoping I can put this one on my water bottle, my big, what do they call them? The big expensive ones that are like stupid expensive. What are they? I don't know. But I'm hoping I can put that on there and that it will be like dishwasher or like washer safe and stuff. I don't know much about that, so I love them so much. And then my mom and dad got me, I am so stinking thrilled with this. Pull up my sleeves. I have my space heater on. They got me the Traveler's Notebook in passport size with all of the accessories. Oh, let me zoom you in so you can see. Oh gosh, I hope I've been in frame this whole time. So, and it's in the camel color. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Traveler's Notebook passport size, and then you can use this elastic too. Comes with these really pretty little sheets. I did open it up last night when I got it. Traveler's Notebook leather care. Oh, look how pretty it is. Oh my God. I love camel leather. I absolutely love it. And there's their brand. And it comes with a little notebook, a Traveler's Notebook. And this is going to be, I am going to give you guys an updated video of what my plans are for 2019 as far as planners and journals. But this is going to be my everyday carry, and it's going to be kind of like a bullet journal style for my lists and stuff, so that in my planner I can just put what I have to do, appointments and, you know, timed things that I have like scheduled that day, but other like to-do lists that I want to get done in between things like that, like if I have a run to get in that day, or I have laundry to do, jog, clean the bathrooms. It's just like every day is going to be lists of, you know, just that day. And then if I'm out and about and something comes up, I can jot it in here, and then when I get home it can be migrated to the proper place, like to my, you know, whatever notebook that it is supposed to be in. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I just love it so much. It's so cute, and it's going to be perfect for what I want. And they also send you all of this. They got me the repair kit, so all these different strings, and then 3 pocket stickers so that I can put pockets in there. They got me the zipper case, 4-pocket zipper case. This will be awesome to stick receipts in before I like file them in my spending tracker in my wellness journal, or cards. I don't think I'm going to make this my wallet, but it is intended to be an everyday carry. And then the craft paper folder that goes in, and then the pen clip. I think that was it. Yes. Oh, isn't this exciting, you guys? I'm so thrilled. I am so thrilled. But that is my art journal, journaling stuff that is going to be used, and you're going to see in the coming weeks on my channel. So I hope you are as excited as I am, and that you finish out the year on a high note and we jump into 2019 and have a blast. So if you're here and you just found me, I'm so glad. Please subscribe and come back and click the like button, and down below tell me what you are planning on doing as far as planning and journaling, and if there's a place that I can watch you do your thing, because I love watching you guys do what you do too. And that's it. I just love this group of friends that we have. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.